Okay, so as promised, here are the directions for what's coming next. So since you are going to be choosing which story you're going to be reading, you're not going to be reading both. Please do not read both. That is a lot of work to do. We're not doing all that work. You are choosing one. You should have read up here the summaries, and by the time you get here, you should know if you want to choose Lamb to the Slaughter, 7th grade. If you're like sitting there like, I just don't know, blah, 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 just choose one. It's really not a big deal. They're about the same length. One is like a mystery thriller type. Well, not, it's not mystery. It's more of like crime thriller type. And then the other is like a fun, lighthearted, cute story. It's kind of like like a not a love story, but you know, if short stories had their versions of chick flicks, this would be it. So choose whichever one you want. Once you've chosen, so say you've chosen Lambs with Slaughter, you're going to click on this folder here and you are going to complete all the reading and activities in the folder here. Once you have completed 2.2 or 2.3.2, 2.3.3, and 2.3.4, you're going to come out here and you're going to make sure that you complete 2.3.5. Same with 7th grade. You'll notice they're the same activities. They're just about the story 7th grade instead of Lamb to the Slaughter. So you are going to see in the grade book, it's going to say like, until I know which one you've chosen, it's going to say that you still need to complete it. As soon as you start completing these activities, I'll get on there and I'll make sure that I excuse you from the other stories activities. That way it doesn't show up in your grade book or it doesn't show up like in your notifications bar or anything like that. Please only choose one story. I can't say that enough. Do not complete both. If I see you completing both, I'm going to reach out to you and I'm going to say, nope, stop doing that. You're doing too much work. You obviously didn't watch the videos. Cool. Please let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, I hope you guys really enjoy whichever story you've chosen. They're both really good, really fun stories. Yeah, have a great day.